Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam.
How's everybody?
We are fine, thank you.
Okay, it's good to see new faces over here. If you allow, can I ask some questions?
Yes, please, go ahead.
Okay. What is your name, brother?
My name is Umer Usman.
Okay, and where are you from?
I am from Pakistan
You are from Pakistan. That's good. And what's your city?
city, Rawalpindi.
You belong to Rawalpindi. Okay, and how's weather today? How's weather today? It's warm, it's hot, it's chilling.
Hot.
It's hot. It's okay, it's okay. How are you?
I am fine.
Please stand up. And what's your name?
My name is Umer Usman.
Okay, can you tell me about your family structure? What's your background? About your education? Introduce yourself.
My name is Umer Usman. I am from Pakistan. I live in village Garja. I am a student. I want to learn English. Thank you.
I think Umar like you. Umar like your communication effect. That's why he's laughing. Right? Have a good time. Please sit down.